Well, hello everybody. Welcome to P.B.M. Money. It's that time of the month where we look in mid-month to see what kind of investments we're looking at making for October. This is mid-September, so obviously we're going, as we dollar cost average, we're looking for something, a decent investment to make in October. Now, just to bring you up to speed, after our video at the first of the month talking about the stocks and what we did, and I ended that video by saying I was going to hold cash. Well, the very next day I found a company called The Honest Company, and they're a maker of household items like diapers and that kind of thing, and I bought them because it was a good thing. And once again, they're on our list for the middle of the month. We might increase our stake in those. Now, most of these we've looked at before, and they've stayed on my radar, and I don't think there's a bad buy here. It just depends on which one we want to do. So without any further ado, let's get right to it. So the first one is Corsair Gaming. They have a market cap of $2.75 billion. The price to earnings ratio is 18.15. That's not bad. I mean, anything under 20 is a decent PE ratio. The lower it is, the better buy it is. And one thing that I have noticed is on the lower cap stocks or the growth stocks, there's no PE ratio. But Corsair Gaming does. I just looked them up. They are at $29.11 a share. And the 52-week high and low has been 51.37 or 14.09. Now the next one is one I found on a video that I was watching called Smile Direct Club. And they make those plastic inserts that go in your mouth that act out like braces that you do yourself. They got a $1.99 billion market cap. Their price is $5.20 a share. That's down about 50 cents since the time I bought them. I think I bought them. No, I didn't buy it. No, it was The Honest Company I was thinking of. And the 52-week spread has been 16.08 and 4.63. So up and down. Now the next one is The Honest Company, and that's the one that I was telling you that I ended up buying. I bought that one at $10.57, I believe, per share. And as I check on it now, it's down again to $10.18. So if I ever wanted to buy the dip, this would be the good opportunity to do that. The 52-week swing has been 23.88 and 9.05 a share, and it has a market cap of $936 million. Now the next one is called Affirm, and it has a market cap of $32.79 billion, so medium-sized company, not a small one. When I looked at the charts on this one, I was really surprised because when I looked at it last time, let's see, where was it? There it is. When I looked at it 2 weeks ago, it was at $93.40 a share. I looked at it this morning. I had to do a double check. It's at $123.10. So as the rest of the market stays stagnant or goes south, this one climbed and climbed quite a bit. So it shows good potential for growth. The question is, do I want to take a chance on buying it on the way up, that it's going to go way up, or do I want to buy the dip on one that's going down, hoping it goes back up? I don't know. But we'll check back in. We'll keep an eye on this one and The Honest Company. The high and low swing was 146.90 and 46.50. A big swing. Again, it tells me it's near the top of its 52-week high. Is that really where I want to buy? I mean, it shows great potential. It's got steady growth. I don't know. And it's got a $100 swing per share in the last 52 weeks. That's quite a big swing. Now the last one is Voyager Therapeutics, and they're into gene slicing, I think is what it was. It's $125.94 million market cap, and it does have a PE ratio of 7.07. That tells me that this is a real bargain based on its income. The price per share was $3.30 a share. The last time I looked at this one, it was $3.33 2 weeks ago, so basically the same. The 52-week spread is $12.65 and $2.82. Now, checking the spread at this point of the month is really not useful. When we get closer, like the 30th of this month, I'll go back in and check and see if the stocks that we currently own, if any of them's worth going in and buying the dip. But the reason I did check the Honest Company is it was still on my list from 2 weeks ago when I thought we were going to hold cash. And when I pulled it up, I saw what I paid for it and what it is now. And so that's still on my list. I might go in and buy the dip on that one. So for right here and for right now, in the middle of September, those are the 5 stocks that we're looking at. Other options could be to buy the dip on any of our current stocks, to hold in cash, and those are our choices. I don't know. The market is really screwy right now. Ethereum is another option that we could buy, but my Ethereum is up almost probably 50%. So there's really no dip there. The only reason I would buy Ethereum is if I thought Ethereum was going to go super high and I just buying it on the way up. It increased my average cost, but if it goes up 500%, this is going to seem like peanuts. But if I buy it and my average cost goes up and then it takes a dumper, then I look like a fool. So I don't know. We'll give it some thought. We're going to watch the trends. Ethereum for the last month has been up, and the trend has been up. It took a nosedive for a couple of days, but it's on its way back up. So we'll see. We got about a little over 2 weeks before we have to do anything, and we'll come back in and we'll tell you what we did. Well, that's about all I wanted to say. You guys have a great day, a great week, and happy investing and stock picking.